Having a warm bowl of soup, it gives us all the nutrients and warmth during cold weather or any season. And I bought these fresh kales, which are superfood, to make this lovely vegetable soup that I used tomato, potatoes and capsicum and a bit of lentils as well. And I fed my veggies also with some kales, but look at them, they prefer to have the seeds rather than the veggies. You cheeky bluey, come on, have some kales. And Leah, but they want to have the grains more than the veggies. They probably will eat that later. Anyway, let's enjoy this beautiful soup.